has lived under suspicion of possessing Orokin technology that grants him powerful abilities. We cannot allow this. Get to his location and eliminate him.
You're making this too easy.
This ship is crawling with grunts. Getting to Vor will prove difficult.
The assassination target is nearby. Seek and destroy.
On out!
Stay focused. There's a heavy unit approaching. Vor has a tendency to play with his prey. Do not let yourself be distracted by this tactic.
Has sent you to die.
Target acquired. Take them down.
Your corpse will serve us well.
You are surrounded by Grineer Marines.
Distract them! You will join us, one way or another.
They won't be bothering us anymore. Let's get out of here. Target down. Assassination contract complete. Great work, Tenno.
Inbox messages await the operator. I wonder what they say.